Dear friends, welcome back to Data Analytics Talks. This video, I would like to answer one important question related to SQL Server learning. So, someone was asking, which you can I learn SQL Server without spending much? The answer, as you know, yes, we can learn SQL Server without spending even a single penny from your pocket. Oh, is it? How can you do that? So, everything, all the resources related to SQL Server learning is available in the internet. You make a search. You can even use tools like ChatGPT. So once you have the scripting, once you have the basics of SQL Server, you have to practice. So when it comes to learning, I always focus on the hands-on. So you should give importance to doing some hands-on. For that, you should prepare your playground. If you have a laptop, that's it. You can go to the internet, you can download SQL Server Express Edition. You have to first install the SQL Server Express Edition. Then you need the SQL Server Management Studio. So if you would like to practice the tools like SSIS, the Express Edition may not be enough. So you will have to download the Developer Edition. You know, the Developer Edition comes with full features. You have the catalog. You have everything required for learning the SQL Server. So you have the SQL Server Express Edition or the Developer Edition, then the SQL Server Manager Studio. So I have the tools ready. So now to build your playground, you need data. So how can I have this data in our SQL Server? That's also very easy. You know, Microsoft Word, AdventureWorks. I'm sure everybody who learns SQL Server or any databases is familiar with AdventureWorks. So if you're working an OLTP system, online transaction systems, you have databases under AdventureWorks. If you are doing data warehouse, you have database with the AdventureWorks. You can have different versions. You know, you have AdventureWorks 19, 20, 21, 22. Lot of versions you can. You go, you download, and you restore the same into your database. So we are in the AdventureWorks sample database portal, and I would like to download one backup file. Let me download AdventureWorks 2019 backup. I simply click on the OLTP .bak file download link. This is almost downloaded. I can go to the download folder. So we have the AdventureWorks 2019.bak file. Let me copy this to my local folder. It's my work folder. I have put this in the work folder. Then we go to my management studio. I have the database. Let me right click on the databases. I want to restore the database. You'll get a pop-up, and I have no database backup already. So I would like to select the device option. Then click on the three dots. Let me click on the add. I know where I have put my backup file. It is in the C colon. Let me go to C. I have a folder called work. Let me click the work. You can see AdventureWorks 2019.bak. Let me select this. I click on OK. And what you need to do is just click on OK. So you have the AdventureWorks 2019 full database backup. As I said, this is an OLTP backup. I click on OK. This is going to restore the AdventureWorks 2019 full database backup into your server. This is done 100%. Yeah, very good. Database AdventureWorks 2019 restored successfully. Okay, let me explore this database. I am very excited to see what has come up. So you have you have hundreds and hundreds of tables, and this is arranged as per the schema. you have the DBO, you have the human resource, person, production, you have the purchasing, you have the sales. And as I mentioned, is showing you like these databases or tables come with large amount of data. So if you have the playground, yes, it is a time to play. You can run the joins, the transformations, all that you have learned in SQL Server in this environment. And I wish you good success in learning or mastering SQL Server with AdventureWorks database. Thank you very much for watching this video. Looking forward to your feedbacks in the comments. Please feel free to ask questions so that we can discuss in the coming videos. Thank you.